Hello everyone, and today I will demonstrate our AI-powered conversational chatbot that supports both text, interaction, and voice input. The goal of the system is to build a low-cost, scalable conversational assistant using Groq LLM for AI processing and Retell AI for voice input handling while maintaining simple and production-ready architecture. So the system overview, it contains three main components: front-end, back-end, and AI processing. Front-end streamlit interface. This is where the user interact with the chatbot. User can either type a message or provide voice input through the microphone. Backend, the fast API server handles API request, manage conversation history, and send user query to language model. Then AI processing, Groq large language model process the query and generate responses. Let me show you a demo of that. This is okay. If I show you, okay. So here you can see, let me open the Streamlit. This is the Streamlit interface where the chatbot is running. Here you can see the chat window and the microphone button. Now I will click the microphone and ask a question. What are the benefits of using AI chatbots for customer support? So as you can see here, benefits of using a chatbot for customer support. So as you can see, once the text is captured, it is sent back to the FastAPI backend, which forward the request to the Groq LLM. So this model processes the query along with the conversational context, and the AI generates a response in real time. As you can see, it took around 2 to 5 seconds. The response is returned in the Streamlit UI and displayed in a text chat window. And there is also a text option like explain why GPT is better than Gemini. So as you can see, it gave us a comparison of that. So during our demo, we showed voice input through microphone, speech to text processing, real-time AI response generation, text-based chatbot message, and this is the support, as you can see here. So at the moment, the system accepts voice input, but AI responses return as text. The future improvement may include text-to-speech output, enabling full voice conversation. So this is a POC that demonstrates how we can build a cost-efficient conversational AI assistant using modern open source technologies. The system is lightweight, scalable, and production ready, but with some future improvements.